friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lori and this is created by LJ. So I'm in the kitchen once again. We are doing the weekend cleaning, getting the kitchen cleaned, the living room cleaned. I think that might be all I do. I do take down some July 4th decor that I had up. I didn't have a whole lot, but we do take that down as well in this video. But I hope that you enjoy the video and it gives you some cleaning motivation. So if you're ready, let's get started. So I always like to start in the kitchen. That usually is the room that when I look at it, and if there's dirty dishes and stuff on the counter, I know I have to clean it first, and then I'll go on to the other rooms. So we're going to start out by unloading and reloading the dishwasher first. I had just placed a Walmart delivery order, so again, I wanted to make sure the kitchen was clean before I brought the groceries in. And I think I chose the 3 hours or less on this day. This was Saturday morning, just so that I could get them there before lunchtime. So lately I have been getting the itch to do another project, and I'm trying to decide what project I want to do. I'd really like to do some painting, and I'm thinking about doing some painting here in the kitchen, which brings me to, I wanted to tell you guys about my friend Cynthia, who lives in South Africa with her family. She is so sweet, and she has a channel called The Machado's Cozy Home, and she just redid her kitchen. She painted her island this beautiful green color, and I just love her videos because it's a very laid-back style, and she has curated her home so it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to put her channel down in the description. I think you guys would love her channel, so make sure that you check her out and see what she's done with her home. She loves to thrift, and she's got such a beautiful style. So anyway, check her out. And then if you would put in the comments what you think my next project should be, maybe what color you think would be good in my kitchen. I am going to be redoing the countertops as well. So anyway, just want your thoughts. I'm thinking about more of a brown tone, you know, nothing dark, but maybe like a wheat color or something like that. But let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Simple question. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Say, yeah, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby.
So my husband bought me this new kitchen towel that says Gigi's Kitchen, love served daily. So I had to put that on there this day because Tinsley was coming over, my granddaughter, and I knew she would love that. So we're just about finished with the kitchen. I'm going to put these pans away, and I think then we're pretty much done, and we'll be moving into the living room.
It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me some more. I could dance with you beneath the stars, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want you. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you.
Okay, so we're going to move into the living room and do a little pickup. So there isn't a whole lot in here, but on Friday nights when I get home from work, I'm pretty much done. So I just leave everything. I just drop it. Of course, we ordered pizza that night on Friday night. So, and this was my blanket from where we were watching, I believe we were watching Yellowstone. We've watched Dutton Ranch and U.S. Marshals. I don't know if you're into Taylor Sheridan, but we love his shows. And we never really watched Yellowstone. So we have started binge watching that and going through all the seasons before the new season of U.S. Marshals and Dutton Ranch come out this next year. So, and you can see my cats just love watching me do all the work, and they seem pretty comfortable where they are.
It's what I'm gonna do, cause right now I'm in it. I feel kinda dizzy when I'm staring at you. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Yeah, I said Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, cause right now I'm in it. Yeah, in it. I don't care about the back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. I said Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby.
Let's go ahead and start taking down the July 4th decor. Luckily, I didn't have a whole lot, so it will be pretty quick getting this all down and put away. this was the point that I was at, that I was tired of this rug looking the way it does. It's really hard to keep clean, especially having three cats. So I took it up and took up all of the rug tape that we had down. I took the rug outside and hosed it down with the hose, and I put some laundry detergent in a spray bottle and sprayed it down real good, and then rinsed it. And then I took my carpet shampooer out there and pulled out all of the water. I didn't film it. Um, I was just at that point, where I just wanted to get it done. So next, I'm going to, after I get all this up, I didn't include the footage where I swept the floor, but you'll see me cleaning the floor. Okay, that's all I've got for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. And if you did enjoy it and you like videos like this, I hope that you'll subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I post my next video, which is going to be cleaning my kitchen appliances. So we deep clean the oven and we do the refrigerator and the dishwasher. So thanks again for being here, and don't forget to check out Cynthia's channel. I'll have it linked down in the description below. Have a great week, guys. Bye.